Hi guys, I just made a video how to prolong the key of Carli, and I've built an ISO. And my apologies for the previous video, but the sound was not set right, but this time it is. And we're gonna test the new Carli that came out. Voila. Carli optical, choose a disk file. The one that's here has the new key in there, I hope. Trial and error, guys. It's the same for anybody, also for me. So it seems I've VirtualBox set as a bias, so not UEFI. That's why we see these beautiful colors. And we boot up and we see if we can update things and stuff like that. So the key is there. It will now expire 2025 12/09. So 3 years from now, I'll have to do it all over again and figure out again how did I do it, right? But I'll have a video. Install system. Next. Oh, he's gathering information. Give him time. Belgian. Next. Race. Next. Full name. Still Eric. Password. Same thing. Next. Install. Do you want to install? You sure? Yes. And now we go. So we've made a few things, a few decisions in Carli. We used to have plasma, right? We can immediately decide to have mate or cinnamon, etc., etc. But we switched at some point in time from plasma to XFCE, and we chose one or a few little things like the appearance. Like Arc Dark is here, Icons, Papyrus is here, and a very small cursor. Change it if you don't like it. Probably best here. And then mouse. And it's called Capitan cursors, right? The white one. And that's it. Maybe a NeoFetch, right? So just to show, hey, by the way, I'm on Arch. NeoFetch. Let's see, NeoFetch. All right. So here's also some information that might interest you. How many packages? 765. Bash is here. Arc Dark, Darker, XFC4. Source Code Pro is the icon font here. Terminal font, I mean. Et voilà. Some data, some information. And then we wait till everything installs final. So let's pause. And then we restart now. But maybe I should pause for some background noise. Let's just reboot and pause then. So a black grub. At some point in time in the tutorial we see that we have a light one and a dark one, and you have to make a choice, right? And let's pause here. All right, the back noise is a little bit less, I guess, now. And we'll just update. So sudo pacman -syyuu. And what do we have? That's not my password. This is. We have core, extra community, and the Nemesis repo. So we also have some kind of, well, extra icons basically. If you type sudo pacman -s edu, you see the ones you can install. Edu stands for Eric Dubois. So there you are. You have no key problems. There is, let's have a look, fix keys, not yet here, I think. No. And there's a fix keys with a Z, like there is a skull with 1L and a skull with double L. If the ATT is installed, fix keys with a Z is there and skull with double L is there. But it's pretty still, right? It's pretty much Arch, because this is just some icons. Icons, and this is some configuration about the skull. So stuff that I would like to have in my etc skull. And some system information, some system stuff, but it's not installed. Good thing to test. Let's make this bigger. sudo pacman minus remove, and then something Arco related. No, something Carli related. The mirror list is here, the keyring is here, how to boot up, grub is here, and some kind of XFC config kit settings, because we want to have these icons, we want to have the Capitan cursor and arc theme, and that's it. These things are important. Control T is not from us, it's basically from XFCE, but Super Shift Enter should open toolbar in ArcoLinux. It's not here, so all the key bindings are not there. They're still very, very default. So voila, I've made the key. Oh yeah, the key has been checked and is now longer. So sudo pacman minus key of, let's list the key. List. Oh, list. Allez, bigger. List the keys from Carli. Is that enough? It's enough. This is not me, of course. Laurent Carrier. That's Carli. But here it is, and also a Carli, and it expires now 2025 12/08. Another 3 years. Chill. All right. Cheers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out previous number in YouTube. We have set the expiration date for another 3 years because it was expired.